अगर मैं अपना कॉस्ट कम कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ तो करूँगी, absolutely. Not necessarily the case that AI will afford me that. But what I think it will do, what I think it does very well, is complement existing strengths. Like, I don't think, for instance, कि ChatGPT एक newsroom को replace कर सकती है. Absolutely not. And I mean, we can go into the debate on between newsrooms and generative AI, but do I think that, and actually you are better placed to respond to this than me, do I think that it complements the work of a newsroom? Absolutely. Does it make things quicker? Absolutely. Would it make, I think that to some extent entry level लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल करेगा. I mean, but only because I think that most of our educational institutions are failing our students today. They are not equipping them with the skills that they need for the workforce. I see it every day in my institution. उनको equip नहीं करे correct skills के साथ. आप क्या सीखते हो in most colleges in this country? आप बस सीखते हो exam देना. आपको कोई सॉफ्ट स्किल्स नहीं टीच करता, आपको कोई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स नहीं टीच करता, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. आप सब बेसिकली सेल्फ लर्निंग होता है. तो
मतलब right from the beginning when they prepare their CV, because we deal with it every day when we go for recruitment, cut, copy, paste, no original thinking, because they have not been told कि तुम अपनी मदर टंग में एक सिंपल सा CV भी लिख सकते हो, and that might be more effective.
और इस पे भी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है बेसिकली. देयर आर ऑल दीज सारे बहुत फॉरम्स होते हैं कि ऐसे CV बनाओ, ऐसे दे दो, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड आई सी इट एज वेल. इट्स ऑल कट कॉपी पेस्ट, एब्सोल्युटली. बट मुझे नहीं लगता इंडिया में उतना इम्पैक्ट होएगा, क्योंकि इंडिया में इंटरैक्शन का बहुत ज़रूरत होता है काम करने के लिए. दैट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट AI कैन डू. And I think that as long as that is required, that's not something that it can do. Magar haan, like structuring documents, it's excellent at it, even though it may say some stupid things in the middle. Structuring, creating a structure for a document, a logical structure, that's something that most entry-level students that I've seen can't do it. They cannot do it. So ऐसी kinds of चीज़ें, really responsibility actually lies with our educational institutions, in my opinion, to equip students with basic soft skills. और हमने कितनी stats देखी हैं कि most students in India are not equipped for the workforce. It is a failure of educational institutions. It's not the fault of a new technology that has come. And I don't think still that it can supplant them.